Hey there everyone, today we are going to discuss this problem, maximum score after splitting a string from LeetCode. So first of all, let's have a look at the problem statement. Given a string S of zeros and ones, return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substrings, that is left substring and the right substring. The score after splitting a string is the number of zeros in the left substring plus the number of ones in the right substring. Okay, so I hope the question is already in very simple form, so I don't think I have to simplify it much. But let me again tell you what they are trying to ask us so that you guys are clear with this. So what they are saying is initially we will be given with one binary string. By binary string I mean that each and every element of the string will contain element or character either 0 or 1. So here let's directly consider this example that is given to us, that is 0 1 1 1 0 1. So if we are given with such a string, what we have to do is we have to split the string into left substring and right substring, and after splitting this into left and right substring, we have to calculate the number of zeros. We have to calculate the number of zeros present in the left substring, and we have to calculate the number of ones present in the right substring, and we have to add both of this, and whatever sum we are getting, we want to maximize this sum, right? This is what they are trying to ask. Okay, yeah, we want to maximize this sum. So now the question is how you can split this into left and right substring such that the sum of zeros present in the left substring along with the sum of all the ones which are present in the right substring will be maximum. Now the one thing that you have to keep in mind is whenever you are splitting into left and right substring, this both should be non-empty substrings. Okay, it shouldn't happen that one of them is, let's say if you are split over here, let's say if you have taken this whole part in the left substring, then you will remain with nothing, so your right substring will become empty. This should not happen. Okay, so you have to keep care of this, that both of the substring that you are making after partitioning must be non-empty. So I hope the question is clear to you guys. Now I don't think there is very much to discuss in logic of this. The logic is pretty simple. We will be starting with this 0th index and we will travel till the last index, and each and every time what we will do, we will first of all initialize two variables. First one will be count of 0 and another variable will be count of 1, correct? And we will for count of 0 we will initialize it with 0 initially, and count of 1 we will initialize with total number of ones. Okay, keep attention over here that count of 1 will be initialized with total number of 1 present in the string. So over here 1 2 3 4, so count of 1 will be initialized with 4. Now what will happen, we will start traversing from left to right in this given string, and what we will do, we will check that particular number. If that particular element or character, I can say, if that character is equal to 0 in the string at this particular point, then we will increment our count 0. And if the element at this particular position is equal to 1, then we will subtract 1 from our count underscore 1. Why we are doing like this? Since we have to calculate the sum of zeros present in the left substring and the count of all the ones which are present in the right substring. So if you are present over here, let me write it once again over here, 1 0 triple 1 0 1. Okay, so if you are at this position, and if I tell you that you have to take this element or take this character on which you are currently at, and all the character which are coming before it, means this character and all the character coming before it, you have to take this as a left substring. Okay, and the remaining you have to take as a right substring. If I tell you like this, so what will happen? Up till here you have the count of 0 stored in your count underscore 0 variable, but now what you need is you need the count of ones which are present in this right substring. So how you will do it? Initially your count underscore 1 variable is initialized with total number of 1 present in the string, so it will be equal to 4. Now whenever you are over here and this element over which you are currently present, that element you are going to take in your left substring. So the count of 1 over here in the right, tell me how many ones are there in the right substring. You will tell 3. So how you got this 3? So whenever you are present at this element, any particular element, wherever you are currently at, if that element is 1, you will be subtracting 1 from my count underscore 1 variable, and you will get the count of 1 present in the right substring, which is forming after that particular index over which you are currently present. Okay, so in this manner, you will just keep on iterating from left to right, and each and every point of time, you will be checking the sum of count underscore 0 plus count underscore 1. And whichever sum you are getting as maximum at any point of time, you will consider that as your answer and you will return it. But there is one thing that you have to keep in mind while traversing. While traversing, you won't be traversing till the last element, that is till the end of the string. You won't be traversing till here. You will be traversing till this element, that is index number n minus 2. You won't be traversing till n minus 1. You will be traversing till only n minus 2. Now, why is it so? It is because, as I have told you, at any element I am currently present at, I will take that element along with all the elements which are occurring before it into my left substring. And let's say if my pointer is indicating at n minus 1, if I let go my pointer till the last element, and if my pointer is now at the last element, what I will do? How I will make my left and right substring? So you will tell that I will take this element over which my pointer is currently pointing and all the elements which are before it, right? So this whole will become the left substring. Now tell me what you will take in the right substring. Your whole string is now exhausted. So what you will take in the right one? So your right substring will be empty if you keep your pointer over here as per this logic. Okay. So you are getting that right substring as empty, which should not have been happened as per the question. That's why we will only be going till index number n minus 2. So I hope this thing is clear to you. Now we are going till n minus 2 index as per this logic. If you kind of tweak in this logic, you may go till n minus 1 also. It is up to you. Let's have a look at the code. So here is the code. As I have explained you in the logic part, I have made two variables, that is for count of 0 and count of 1, and I am initializing my count of 0 with 0, and as I have told you that I will be initializing my count of 1 with total number of ones present in the string. So therefore I have traversed the whole string once and calculated the number of ones, and I have initialized it with the total number of ones present in this string. Okay, so after this, what I have done is, again I will start traversing my string from left to right side, and now as I have told you that I will be only traversing till index number n minus 2. So that's why I am going till I lesser than n minus 1, and for each and every time wherever my pointer will be indicating, I will be checking that if that character is equal to 0 or 1. If that character is equal to 1, as I have explained, I will be subtracting 1 from my count 1 variable, and if that element is 0, I will be adding 1 to my count 0 variable, and each and every time I will be calculating the maximum sum of count underscore 1 plus count underscore 0, which is present at any point, and whichever will be the maximum sum of number of ones as well as 0, that will be stored in variable answer, and at the end of the day I will be returning that variable answer. So that was it. That was the simple code. Let's just try to submit it, and yeah, it is accepted. So yeah, that was the code. That was an easy solution. Now if you have really understood this solution, then please do give a like to our video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thank you.